Hello everyone, my name is Thomas Onweka and I'd like to share with you my experience as an intern at Qualcomm in Salzburg, Austria, which took place in the second half of 2022. In this video, I'll be giving you sneak peek into the company, project and the city I worked in, as well as some tips that helped me secure the internship. Here is a brief overview of the content I will cover in my presentation. So the company I worked for is Qualcomm, but the team and the office was previously a part of a company called Wikitude, which was acquired by Qualcomm last year. Wikitude as the company was founded in 2008 and is based in Salzburg, Austria. It was a startup that specialized in creating products for augmented reality, including the Wikitude SDK. The Wikitude SDK is the company's core product, which is available for Android, iOS, Windows, and smart eyewear devices. It includes image recognition, tracking, 3D model rendering, video overlay, and location-based AR. In addition to that, the company had expertise in computer vision, object recognition based on photos, space tracking, and positioning objects in the spaces. So what is Qualcomm? Qualcomm is a multinational technology company that designs and develops semiconductors, software, and services for wireless technology. It is most well known for its Snapdragon system on chip products, which power many smartphones and other mobile devices like AR and VR. It is headquartered in San Diego, California, and has operations and customers all over the world. AR is one of the many sectors in which Qualcomm invests in innovation. Qualcomm has leveraged the technologies created by Wikitude and other acquisitions for a new project called Snapdragon Spaces. So Snapdragon Spaces is a project with the main focus in the office. It is an open XR platform created by Qualcomm for developing AR software using mobile hardware technologies. It provides basic AR features, enabling organizations to quickly create AR apps without developing the technology themselves. Partners in this project include Epic Games, Lenovo, and Oppo. Key features of Snapdragon Spaces include locational tracking, image recognition, hand tracking, and object detection. During my internship, I had the opportunity to work with the cloud team, which specializes in using AWS as a cloud provider. The team was smaller in size and consisted of Austrian colleagues, but we have always communicated in English. Working with the team was a great experience, and we also enjoyed some after-work activities like going out for drinks, whiskey tastings, laser tag, and ice skating. The team had a flexible hybrid model that allowed us to work both remotely and on-site. We also practiced pair coding, which allowed us to work collaboratively on code, and we had a regular code reviews to ensure the quality of our work. So the methodology used in my team was Scrum. We managed our task and progress using Jira, that is a popular project management tool. Our work was organized into bi-weekly sprints, and we began each day with the stand-up meetings where we shared updates on our progress and what we planned to work on next. At the end of each sprint, we had a sprint review meeting with the team and product owners where we presented our completed work from previous 2 weeks. So I had several responsibilities during my internship at Qualcomm, mainly in cloud infrastructure and DevOps topics. So it included developing features on the Snapdragon Spaces XR developer platform. I have also created a library of reusable CDK components to accelerate infrastructure as code development, designed and implemented Kubernetes cluster on AWS, and migrated Wikitude services to modern and scalable infrastructure. Additionally, I patched and upgraded Ubuntu instances, scripted in Python and Bash, and created CI/CD pipelines in Jenkins for infrastructure and application deployments. I had opportunity to improve my cloud and DevOps skills such as AWS, Terraform, AWS CDK, Linux, Jenkins CI/CD, and Kubernetes. I also improved my coding skills by working with TypeScript and Node.js. Additionally, I enhanced my presentation skills through various presentations on technologies such as Kubernetes, CI/CD, and project generators. I also learned more about Scrum methodology. I have improved my task estimation in complexity and time and learned how to work with Jira. During the internship, I have also prepared for and took the Terraform Associate exam that allowed me to gain deeper knowledge of Terraform and its different use cases. The company and managers had a strong emphasis on supporting employee growth and development, so they were happy for me to take the exam. The office I have worked in was located in Salzburg, Austria. It is a very green city and an excellent place for a work life balance. On weekends, I spend a lot of time hiking, cycling, and ski touring around the city and its surroundings. The city is quite touristy, which can be bothersome when trying to find a place to eat. I lived in Grodig, which is a small village outside of Salzburg. Grodig is located next to a mountain that is 2000-meter high and is called Untersberg, which I often hiked on the weekends. I lived in a small studio that I found in a Facebook group, and the city has an excellent public transportation system. So, regarding the tips, I wrote a blog post with the tips on how I landed my internship, and you can find the link in the video description and read about my experience and what helped me in more details. So, in conclusion, my internship in Austria was a great experience that enriched both my professional and personal life. I had the opportunity to discover my career interests and technologies I enjoy working with while connecting with many interesting people. Overall, the experience was truly valuable and helped me to clarify my future goals. As a disclaimer, I would like to state that all the information presented in this video is based on my personal experience and opinion. The purpose of this video is to share my insights, and I hope it can be helpful for those who are interested in pursuing internship in software engineering. Thank you for your attention. Feel free to reach out to me on social media if you have any questions that I can answer. You can find me on LinkedIn, Instagram, and Facebook. I'm always happy to chat and share my experience. You can find this presentation in the description of this video.